Hi there, today I'm going to show you how you are going to check for Kcse results 2024. And my friend, this is the shortest video I've ever done. So what you do, you have to visit this site called results.knec.ac.ke. Then you input the index number just like that. And then you'll write the first name, that is Christine, just like that, and then click on view results, and voila, you have the results there. She performed so well. Congratulations, Christine, and I wish you all the best in your university life. Otherwise, if you found this video helpful, please make sure that you subscribe. See you in our next video, and until then, make sure that you keep creating.